Go ahead, Tony. What you got to say while you roasting these ducks?
Yes, sir. Chef Lee in the building. Learn from the best. Chef Lindella. We got 2 roasted ducks. We got a sofrito. We got that day and O's that Tony seasoned for Tony. Man, and some garlic powder and some epi. Shout out to my Haitians. I'm gonna get it going. And that's that MSG free Sazon, the healthy one. Also, we got double ducks right here. We got 2 double adult ducks right here. We got the seasoning y'all just seen in there. We're gonna roast that for about 2 hours. We're gonna baste it every 30 minutes. Get that skin real crisp and fresh. You want to get that leg and thigh part. That's where the fat is at. And that duck fat, you better save it. It's liquid gold. We out.
We're going to save it in what? This right here, right?
We're going to
save it right there.
You can saute vegetables in
there.
There you go. Eggs, girl. I'll keep duck fat for months.
We're going to let you see when it's done. If you want to see the recipe, go on the page. It's a recipe for the whole full video about roasting the duck, okay? I'm going to show you the finished product when he get done. All right.
Baste him again from my nice roasting pan. Our Chef Lindella. That's it right there. We're gonna get that again. We're gonna get some more here. Look at that liquid gold. Look at all that liquid gold. Duck fat is liquid gold. Okay. We're gonna baste this. We'll come back right to y'all. All right, here we back. We're gonna baste it nice and good. Look at that liquid gold. Oh, there we go. Delicious. Look at that. Baste that again. Another half hour until our album. We are ready to eat this bird. Or these birds. Let me take one of these home, man.
Put it in the oven.
We're going to take our bird out and baste him again from our nice roasting pan. Our Chef Lindella. That's it right there. We're going to get that again. Gonna get some more here. Look at that liquid gold. Look at all that liquid gold. Duck fat is liquid gold. Okay. Well, on base this, we'll come back right to y'all. All right, here we back. All right, finally done. Duck is finished. One last basting. We're gonna get it going real good. Good to go. Merry Christmas. Roasted duck. That's good.
Go ahead, Chef Tony.
Woo. We live, baby. Merry Christmas, Chef Lindella, Chef Tony. Them ducks are good to go. We're gonna cut them nuts, cut them nice
2
and
ducks
good.
on the rack, double racks.
Yep. Some liquid gold right here, baby. Y'all can use this for months. Potatoes, greens, eggs, more duck, chicken.
Oh, like we got 2 jars. Hey.
Delicious. Look at that. Nice and delicious. Nice and golden. A lot of fat.
Spice it up.
Yeah. Somebody cut a duck better than me. You heard? Chef Lee. Look at that.
Hot taste.
Watch football.
You like?
You ain't had enough for the house for that one. You got to be like. Yeah.
I served him a wing. The whole wing was fat.
Now wing is like. Duck wings don't really be meaty. So
yeah. But you get that duck from Restaurant Depot, it'd be meaty.
That's my duck, mommy. I got that from ShopRite.
You got it from ShopRite? Okay.
Got meat up there. Gonna leave this duck boneless. There you go. But this carcass, use it again for soup. You can use this again for. I'm gonna plate all that better when I get over there. What I mean? This other side. This is the best part right here. That right there. Look at that juice coming out. That leg. Look at that. Oh my God.
No.
Trying to cut it on the joint. These legs be a hassle. Look at that. Look at that duck breast right there. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's a
Look at that. Over some rice. Duck is, I love duck. Duck my favorite poultry. I tell people. When people think it's gamey, I'm like, you gotta get the right. You just gotta cook it right.
Yeah.
And the ones nowadays ain't gamey from the store. They're not. They may be a little fatty, but they're not gamey at all. Ain't none of this tastes gamey. And these from public stores.